Hi, I'm Joe Wos. This is Cartoon Academy. Thanks for tuning in. Poor old Rooster, he has to wake up before any of the animals on the farm, climb up that great big rooftop, crawl out to the edge of the roof, and then crow as loud as he can. It's no wonder he's a little bit frustrated and flustered. Today we're going to talk a little bit about emotion. Emotion is how a character feels. And the way we show emotion is through our facial expressions. Our eyes, eyebrows, and mouth are all ways that we can show how we feel. Happy, sad, angry are all emotion. Today we're going to draw a very frustrated rooster. Let's draw. We're going to start with the eyes. We have a circle just like this. Right next to that is a smaller circle. We're going to draw the pupils right towards the center. That helps them look a little more frightened and frustrated and a little bit flustered. Now for the beak. We come out to a point, in, down, up, point, in, and up. Now he's crowing very loudly, so we're going to make his tongue sticking out. We go out, around, and in, and a little line right down the middle. We're going to show just a bit of the interior or inside of the mouth. Add a line down from the base of the mouth here to the top of the tongue, and then from the base of the tongue to the top of the lower lip, and then shade that in, above and below. There's a little line coming just down the top of the nose there. Next we have a little line like that. Now the crown on top of the head. We come up, round, in, out, round, in, out, around, and connect. Next, the eyebrows are raised up high. Now for the neck. Notice the texture on the line, back and forth. And then the wings. First, the back wing here. Both look very, very frazzled and nervous. From the neck, come around and connect to that wing. Now for the tail feathers. Out, down, up, down, up. There's a W, and in. The other wing, right here. Out, up, down, scribbly little lines, just like that. A few feathers flying off. Now for the legs. One line down, two lines down. One line down, two lines down. The feet, letter C, out, down, up. Other toe right next to it, down and in. The other foot, around and in, out, down, up. Out, down, in. We're going to make him up on the rooftop. So we just have a line coming down, and then a line across. Maybe a few shingles on that roof. Could be on top of a chicken coop. Two lines on the stomach, maybe a few more feathers flying off. He has to wake up very early in the morning when the sun first comes up. So we're going to draw the sun. We've been drawing the sun the same way for over 10,000 years. It appears in cave paintings and it appears in our drawings today. It's just a simple circle and a few lines like that. Simple and effective. That's the sun. There is your rooster. Sign your name. Take pride in your work. We've had a lot of fun today, but now it's time to draw to a close. See you next time.
Funding for this program is provided by the Pennsylvania Department of Education for Learning at Home.